cuties! Let's learn the alphabet. This is letter A. A. This is letter B. B. This is letter C. C. This is letter D. D. This is letter E. E. This is letter F. F. This is letter G. G. This is letter H. H. This is letter I. I. This is letter J. J. This is letter K. K. This is letter L. L. This is letter M. M. This is letter N. N.
Let's go.
This is letter O. O. This is letter P. P. This is letter Q. Q. This is letter R. R. This is letter S. S. This is letter T. T. This is letter U. U. This is letter V. V. This is letter W. W. This is letter X. X. This is letter Y. Y. This is letter Z. Z. Now who will tell me where is letter R? Yes, you are right. This is letter R. Now, who will tell me where is letter I? Yes, you are right. This is letter I. Now, who will tell me where is letter H? Yes, this is letter H. Now, who will tell me where is letter D? D? Yes, this is letter D. Now, who will tell me where is letter Q? 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 Yes! Excellent! This is letter Q. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.